So, I memorized the first part of the periodic table for my challenge. You can hear them in the background, they're just watching some weird news thing. But, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, then argon, potassium, and calcium, scandium, titanium, and vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel. That's pretty much all I know.